Now, with the start of the new year rolling in, everybody's looking for ways to start new side hustles, generate income online, and create that passive opportunity that everybody dreams of. I'm here to tell you that it has never been easier with ChatGPT. Guys, if you have not heard about ChatGPT, it is this incredibly intuitive chatbot that creates human-like responses and is taking a massive amount of work out of the equation. So if you are looking for ways to generate money online in 2023, that is exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video. I'm going to go over 3 of them, okay? There are endless opportunities, but 3 of them that I find extremely simple using ChatGPT, and it doesn't take a lot of knowledge, it doesn't take a lot of experience, but it will take one thing: effort. Everybody else that you watch on YouTube, they're going to tell you that it is as simple as possible. Boom, boom, click, and you're done. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the money coming in. You need to do one thing. You need to put forth an effort. We're going to talk about that and why ChatGPT takes everything else out of the equation. If you are a doer, you will absolutely see prosperity in 2023. Let's discuss it. Of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And guys, I want to jump into this video because there's a lot to go over with ChatGPT, and I've seen plenty of people making videos on it, and I've watched almost all of them so far. And they do a very good job at explaining, okay, you can do this. You can use ChatGPT to create sales copyright. You can use ChatGPT to start a Fiverr business. You can use ChatGPT to do this and that. But what they don't tell you is that it takes effort. And it's like all of the other guys before them that come on the screen and they tell you it is so simple to do, but you have to do it. And it is simple. The steps are getting easier every day, but you have to put forth the effort in order to do it. So if you're sitting out there right now thinking to yourself, I don't have the knowledge, I don't have the experience, I don't know where to start, ChatGPT is like that friend, okay? ChatGPT is like that friend that you can go to for advice and you can say, well, how do I do this? ChatGPT will tell you step by step how to do it. And we're going to jump into it in a second here. Step by step on how to accomplish your goal, how to generate the income, but it will not do it for you. So I've put ChatGPT to the test over the last couple of days, seeing kind of what it's capable of, and the results are almost scary, okay? We are one step away from ChatGPT potentially replacing me. Potentially replacing you. There will be no need for the vast majority of people out there to complete the tasks of their daily job once this AI becomes connected with the internet in a way, in a hardware, in a way that it is able to accomplish real world tasks. Now, we're not there yet. So right now, this is creating the perfect storm of opportunity for you and me to generate incremental and additional income streams so that we can really make money in 2023, because that's what it's all about, right? If you're using ChatGPT to cheat on your essays or to write your book reports for you, great. That's awesome. 13-year-olds need to get through school. I get this. But ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the business world in a way that takes the entrepreneur to the next level. Especially if you're out there working by yourself right now and you said, man, if I could just multiply myself by 10, I would be able to accomplish so much more. ChatGPT is for you. So let's look at this really quick. I made a video yesterday on how ChatGPT can be used to create YouTube videos. Now this is excellent. We are not at the stage yet where you can say, hey ChatGPT, create a video for me. And it makes the entire video. When we get to that point, things will be a little scary for YouTubers out there, for bloggers and vloggers out there. But what we've got right now is if you have it in mind to become somebody who creates content, whether that be for YouTube or Twitter or any other social media platform, it is as simple as typing these words. ChatGPT, create a YouTube script for me. And then you type in the subject about fitness, about crypto, about stocks, about how to make money online. And I'm telling you right now, it scours the internet in a matter of seconds, and it compiles a list, and it compiles a very fluid and intuitive script on exactly what you would need to say. All you have to do is turn the camera on, sit in front of it, and talk. You don't want to sit in front of it and talk? Turn the camera on, sit behind it, and record. Turn the camera on, script a voiceover. Turn the camera on, and copy and paste the YouTube script that ChatGPT wrote. Put it into a text-to-speech app. There you go. You are done. You have the video. Now see, there is that step that the doer needs to do. ChatGPT can create the content in a sense that it spits out the script for you. But you have to implement it. You have to take that script and either read it yourself, put it in a chat or a text-to-chat bot, and have it read it, and then post the video on YouTube. I don't think that we're that far off from you telling these AI creations, hey, create a YouTube video and post it for me by 7 p.m. tonight. And it will do it. Now, when that happens, things will be scary for those of you that are not currently doing. If you are not currently doing, and you can be replaced by some sort of a robot that can create these tasks and create this content in a matter of seconds, things become scary. Now, the second form is a blog post. This is much easier. You can tell it to create a blog post on your favorite topics, fitness, sports, crypto, stocks, and so on in a matter of seconds. It has created that blog post, but you need to be the doer. It cannot post it. It is not connected to your Twitter account. It is not connected to your Instagram or your website and so on. When it does get that connectivity, things will become scary. All you have to do is say, ChatGPT, create a blog post on cryptocurrency and post it by 7 p.m. tonight. And all of a sudden, everything is automated from that point forward. So at this point in the game, you still need to do by posting that post. You don't have to create it. You don't even have to be creative, but you do have to take action. Now, finally, this is a very interesting one. Creating content for courses. Creating courses around any subject matter. I plugged it in for cryptocurrency because we do talk a lot about crypto on this channel. I said, ChatGPT, create an online course for me about cryptocurrency. And it started to outline. Okay, and it was a really relative, like it was very, I guess, a top-down look. It wasn't very specific. It said, well, first thing you need to do is create your target audience. Second thing you need to do is create an outline. So I took it a step further. I said, ChatGPT, create an outline for a course. It created the outline. I said, ChatGPT, create a marketing plan specified towards beginning investors. Oh my goodness, it broke down a marketing plan. I said, ChatGPT, how should I best implement this course? And it pulled up 6 different websites on where you can post the course, how you can market it on different social media platforms. It laid out the entire plan for you. But guess what? There's no course up there right now because I didn't do it. It is as simple as that. Guys, if you are looking to generate income in 2023, ChatGPT could absolutely be the source that you have been dying for. There will be a distinction between the dreamers and the doers. ChatGPT could potentially replace all of the dreamers out there. But if you are a doer, if you are a go-getter, but you don't know where to start, you need to make friends with ChatGPT right now. Because I'm telling you, if you've got that hustle mentality, if you've got that entrepreneurial spirit, and you partner up with ChatGPT, this could be your year. 2023 could be the year that you actually make something happen. So here's the 2 things, and I'm going to break this down a little bit further in other videos. I know I've been taking way too long in this one. You can take this one of two directions. You yourself can become the creator, and you yourself can use ChatGPT to create your own content, or you can use places like Fiverr, where you can freelance almost on a moment's notice, create content, and then sell that content to other doers who are going to create it for themselves. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below on ChatGPT. What are your thoughts? And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Claybro883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.